headed to Fantasyland. I just left Discoveryland. Hey, violence is not okay. Especially not at Disneyland. Ooh, up close on the castle. How cute. Here we go. This is a big castle. Château de la Belle Bois Dormant. Sleeping Beauty's castle. Is she the only princess who has multiple castles? Go up into her castle. See what we can see. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Well, once upon a time, all the people in the land came to celebrate the king and queen's new baby. And the three fairies, Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather, gave the baby gifts. Magical gifts. But Maleficent was jealous. She wasn't invited, so she put a curse on the baby. They got rid of all the spinning wheels because the curse foretold their baby. Something spinning wheels. Yes, here's part of the story. Then they would live into the forest and the fairies dress like old ladies. And then Maleficent has goofy henchmen that she abuses. And this is Briar Rose, and she's just happy and innocent and living life, but feels like something is missing. Then all of a sudden, she touches the spindle. Here it is, guys, the very one she touched. And it's still turning to this day. And she fell into a deep sleep. Oh, look at it. Magic. Magic is happening. Okay, that's fun. And then everyone was asleep. Oh, the fairies put everyone asleep so that Sleeping Beauty wasn't dreaming alone. And then here comes Prince Philip on his trusty steed, going through all the briar patches. And Maleficent turned herself into a dragon so that she could keep watch over the tower. I don't know what she's doing. And Prince Philip kissed Sleeping Beauty, and she woke up. And then they danced, and they lived happily ever after. Now we come outside and we get great views of Fantasyland. It's beautiful. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now we will go down. Downstairs. Down. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Oh, we're still going. Yay. No. Oh, where's the dragon? Huh. Hey. Okay, I did that whole thing because I thought there was going to be a dragon at the end. Where's the dragon? Maybe this way. I'm going to find this dragon, dang it. Okay, over here. On the side of the castle. Maybe. Yes. Yes, something dragon. Oh, it's closed. No. Dragon. Oh, I'm so sad. Here's It's a Small World. I don't need to go on that. It's beautiful though. I love the colors. Like, similar to Disneyland, but different. Princesses are gone for the day. I don't know what this windmill is. That's cute. Old mill. What's down here? Okay, this is the Alice's Labyrinth. I guess I'll do this. This will be fun. See if I can find my way through the labyrinth. Cute. Cute. Pretty. This way, that way, up, down. Very cute. That way. Which way? This way. Yonder. So this way over here. Little door. Okay, okay. I feel good about my choices so far. There's the Cheshire Cat. Ooh, I feel just like Alice. Okay, wow. Okay, I'm getting dizzy. Okay. Oh my goodness. Phew. Cute. Found the caterpillar. It's always smoking hookah. Very nice. Oh, look at this Cheshire Cat. Very cool. Oh! Oh! Do we have to go all the way through this rose in a circle? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why? But why? But why? Oh no.
Careful, Kitty.
Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Oh, here we go. Cute. Cute. Don't turn that way. Excuse me. That's cool. Cheshire Catwalk. Doing the catwalk. Bounce, bounce. Catwalk. Bounce down. I wish there were more hedges because I can just follow people. But that's cool. Cute. We're painting the roses red. No, I'm over it. I don't want to go up there. Goodbye. That just gave me a headache. That was not fun. I guess you have to be a kid. Oh, I wanted to go on Peter Pan's flight, but I don't want to wait 50 minutes. Maybe I can come back. Oh, man. I guess that's Snow White's over there. That's cute. Well, I guess I'll just go to Adventureland. We made it. Adventureland. Very nice. I was a little confused because I was in Adventure Isle, and that's different from Adventureland, okay? So we finally made it to Adventureland, and here is Big Thunder Mountain. 5 minutes until my fast pass. Whoa! Woo! Whoa, this ride starts right away. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my God! Woo! Oh, danger! Danger! Oh my gosh. Disneyland! Woo! Woohoo! Oh! Bats! Oh, it's dark! It's so dark! Oh my gosh! It's so dark! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh, that was fun. That was super fun. That was crazy. It was really dark at the end. Okay, that was the last ride of the day.